Today we are at the shop once again, saving some legends. Yesterday I didn't film much, but we were fixing a couple of cars, a Hyundai that the cooling fan was stuck on and some other things. Today we are working on this Bimmer. Need to check some things on it. It's got a problem with the electrical fuel, not fuel pump, but the electrical water pump. It's not moving coolant and all that. And then this one has like a misfire. Really bad misfire. This one I'm not sure what they're fixing on this one, but yeah, it's always fun coming to the shop. We're always doing some stuff here. And then this car, the engine is out of it. It needs a head gasket. It needs to be taken apart, and many parts need to be replaced on it. This one still has suspension work right there. Okay, so we're scanning this car right now. We're gonna see what's up with it. It needs some work done. It has a problem with electrical water pump. Jarito, so what is the problem with this car? What's the complaint? What's the problem with this car?
The car is water pump now starting good. Thermostat is stuck. So we check the computer what's happened, you know. So we'll check and
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe we'll change the two things, but
Yeah.
we check first.
So we're gonna see, maybe we're gonna change the thermostat and the electrical water pump on this thing. And we will see. So yeah, we do love old school cars at VITO'S Garage. That's number one. Don't forget to save and love old school cars. But sometimes we come here to help them out and do, some, wrench on some other cars, diagnose some other cars and fix them. As you can see, this is a 2014 BMW that we're working on today. And this one, we already diagnosed this car basically. It has a misfire and it definitely has a vacuum leak. So we're gonna see. Hey guys, welcome back to VITO'S Garage. Thanks so much for watching and tuning in. And today we are working on this 2006 BMW 550i, the E60. This car runs like garbage, and the shop owner wants us to replace the valve cover gasket. So we're gonna do that, and it's a big job on this car. I don't know how long it takes. In accordance with all data, maybe like 3-4 hours. I have no idea, but and also the valve covers themselves are plastic, so we need to see if they're cracked or not. Hopefully they're okay, but we need to go ahead and do that. It's gonna be a little bit of a challenge. Okay, we got some new parts for this machine. We got valve cover gaskets we need to change. Spark plugs, I think they already changed the spark plugs. They were in bad condition. The car has about 200 something thousand kilometers. It's the condition of it right there. So we're gonna go ahead and start working on it. So we got some fresh parts we're gonna put on. They already replaced the spark plugs on this car, but as you can see, the condition here, we have leakage, so we need to go ahead and take care of that and replace the valve cover gaskets. Hopefully the valve covers are okay and not cracked, because they are plastic. Everything's plastic on these new cars, sadly. But the car is misfiring, has a problem where it's just it doesn't run good and it's shutting off. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of that, remove the valve covers and change the gaskets, and hopefully it's gonna run so much smoother now. I didn't check for vacuum leak, but they just changed. They want to change the valve covers. That's what they said. The valve cover gaskets. So we're gonna start on that.
Yeah.
These are the spark plugs. Pretty bad condition.
الحين شيء تتضايق انت. طيب يمكن هذا من ضايق. مو بدك لازم انت قاعد تتطلع، مو بدك ذاك ترى محله. حصلت واحد تطلع عليه؟ نعم؟ حصلت واحد تطلع عليه؟ لا ما مشكلة كفيل.
We need more Mickey Mouse tools to fix this car. Guys, this is another day. We came to finish up this BMW I'm about to show you, but honestly saying, these valve cover gaskets are really crazy. It took us a while to do one side, and I'll show you why. It was just a lot of things that needed to be disconnected, and just to be able to slide out that valve cover. Here's this side. It's already pretty much done, unfortunately, and I hate to say that, but I had to use a little bit of silicone on some of the parts, like that seal right there, and also like the seals that go on those spark plug wells. There are plastic like tubes like this, and they have 2 seals each one, and I had to use silicone, unfortunately, because they didn't get any parts, and I don't know if it's easy to get parts here in Kuwait for this, or you might have to actually do a special order and wait for a long time. So, and what I usually do when I work on cars, I usually order all the parts first and then I start the job, you know, but in this case they only had the valve cover gaskets, so it is what it is. Okay, so my friend Jarito is working on this side and I am finishing up this side, just putting the injectors back in, tightening everything nicely. And not injectors, but I mean the ignition coils. Here they are. And they appear to be, wow, 2004 manufacturer year. Interesting. Maybe they're still original to the car. No, they've been changed. You know, this car is 2006, so they've changed some of them. This is 2005 coil. Interesting. But anyways, this is what everything looks like. The biggest pain is going to be trying to install everything back here and make it nice. Hey, ciao.
صدقني لا هم راكبينه صح بس بطاريه ضعيفه لا مستحيل.
All right, so we are finishing up with this job. We're gonna start this car soon. Everything is getting plugged in.
You connected good? The battery?
مال هذا وبلت تشين
يمكن بطاريه تعبانه.
Belt is making a noise.